Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about glasses. Not the type you drink from, the type you read with and see with. Alright, so if you have a specific type of prescription that requires a very specific non-generic type set of glasses, check your insurance and see how often they'll pay totally for a new pair of glasses. If you get the glasses totally paid for, so they're almost free, and you get one pair a year, get a pair every year. Also, if you think your eyes may be changed a little bit, and you get your doctor's visit to the eye doctor paid for totally, go to the eye doctor more often just to make sure your things aren't deteriorating in a way that you're not really noticing. So, but for the rest of us that take generic, magnifying glasses, also known as readers or cheaters, you can pick those up anywhere and relatively cheap because you're not using a prescription to get them. It's like my wife and I, we don't go get prescription glasses. She tried to get one time. The doctor said, "Oh, get this," and she went back to the doctor. "I can't see with these." And he checked the prescription. "Well, that's what you're supposed to be having." She goes, "I can't see with them." And she was using the 175 cheaters. She goes, "I can see just fine with these." And he tested her, and for some reason, the prescription that the machine said she needed didn't work for her. But the 175's cheaters did. And so, rather than spending the $85, $95 for a prescription pair of glasses, she just goes down to either Costco or orders them online and gets cheaters. Now, I'm the same way. All I just need is something to read up close with on something where most of the time looking around, I can see everything. I can read stuff, in the living room over there. I can read book names and stuff from here. So it's, I need cheaters for up close. And so that's why I wear these half moon ones, because most of the time I'm looking over the top, and I'm only when I look down at something do I look through the glasses. So figure out what works best for you and get some. For me, I have one pair by each computer. I have a pair in the my vest I wear sometimes. I have a pair in my jacket. I have a pair in my church jacket. I have a pair, I just have, these things, they're cheap. I got them all over the place because they're so cheap. So I'm never without a pair of glasses around somewhere close. And another thing for glasses you may want to consider in your first aid kit. My wife picked up a pair of 4x ones, 4 times magnification, for like when we need to see something really small to read, to get out splinters or something like that, or if we're trying to read the ingredients that are so friggin' small, you need a magnifying glass to read it. Well, if you have the other ones, you can just slip those on and you can read those just fine too. So get glasses that you can, that work for you, and get extras as well. Alright, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. Plant a prepper garden, and grow yourself some healthy food.